Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to create a SharePoint form in 2025. If you're working with Microsoft 365 or managing team collaborations, custom forms can streamline your workflows and make life a lot easier. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up on the latest features, this guide will get you up to speed quickly. First things first, you'll need a Microsoft 365 subscription with SharePoint access. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Head over to your SharePoint site. Once you're there, navigate to the Site Contents section. This is your hub for all lists, libraries, and apps. Step 2. Click on New and select List to create a new one, or choose an existing list if you already have one set up. Give it a descriptive name, like Project Approval Form, and add any necessary columns such as text fields for descriptions or choice fields for options. Step 3. Now, to customize your form, go to the list and select Integrate or Power Apps from the top menu. This is where the magic happens in 2025's updated interface. You'll be taken to the Power Apps Studio, where you can design your form layout. Step 4. Drag and drop elements to build your form. Add buttons, labels, and fields based on the columns you created. Don't forget to set up validation rules, like making certain fields required, to ensure data accuracy. Step 5. Once your form looks good, save and publish it. Test it out by submitting some sample data to make sure everything works smoothly. In 2025, SharePoint has even better integration with AI, so you might want to explore autofilling options for efficiency. A quick tip. Always preview your form on different devices to ensure it's mobile-friendly. Common mistakes include forgetting to set permissions, so double-check who can view or edit the form. There you have it. Creating a SharePoint form is straightforward and powerful. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.